Are you struggling to keep up with the complex tax regulation, frequent rate changes and manual compliance process? Managing sales tax, VAT and other tax obligation doesn't have to be, overwhelming. So welcome to Vertex Tax Software, this ultimate platform for automating tax compliance and streamline your operations, and the ultimate platform for automating tax. And in the step-by-step video I will walk you through how to use Vertex to calculate taxes, ensure accuracy, integrate with other systems and stay compliant, all from one intuitive dashboard. So before we get started, let's break down what makes Vertex Tax Software stand out. According to them, Vertex is a powerful tax automation platform designed to help businesses manage their tax obligation very efficiently. And there are some of the features which you can see here. For example, tax calculation automation, compliance support, seamless integration and reporting tools and other things, right? And one more thing which I really like, in fact, three things which I really like, that is a cloud-based and accessible from any device, AI-powered insight for smart decision making, affordable pricing plan, tailored for small business and enterprise. So to get started with, you have to just come to this vertexinc.com. If you're not able to find it, just go to Google and search for Vertex Tax. Click on this first link here. Right now, once you just go and click on here, you have to create an account. So to create an account, you have to just go and click on Get in Touch on the top right side corner. Now once you go here, you can see here you have to fill up this information, which is your personal details. For example, your name, your job level, functional role, company email and country, and just go and click on submit. Now what will happen after this, one of the team member from Vertex Tax will be in contact with you through email, and they will give you a complete demo. And as you can see here, they will be in touch with you, they will give you a demo, and obviously they will try to understand why you need the Vertex and how it is going to solve the issue, and depending on that they are also going to give you a pricing, right? And once you are satisfied with the pricing, once you buy the subscription or whatever it is, you will get a login ID. I mean, they will help you to create a login ID, and then you can just go on, click on login on the top right side corner, and here you can just go and click on Vertex Cloud Login. You will be redirected to a new page. You have to just enter your email address and enter your password and click on continue. So this is how you can do this. The setup process is very straightforward even for beginners, and ensure you're ready to start automating tax compliance right away. Right now that your account is set up, you can walk through the automate tax calculation, right? And here you can see, if I just go to the solution tab, there's a different solution for different developed businesses and different types of tax here, right, depending upon in which country you are. For example, if you are from India, then obviously there's a no VAT tax, there is only GST, right? If you're in Australia, then there will be only GST, right? So it's depending upon country to country, the tax system is completely different, so it will help you to get with it, right? And if you are completely newbie, if you don't know how this tax system works, so make sure you just go and ask a professional help, or maybe an employee in your company will do this up. Now Vertex automatically calculate tax based on the latest rate and rules for each jurisdictions. You can check the calculated tax to ensure accuracy before finalizing transactions, right? You can use Vertex real-time update to adjust for rate exchange or new tax regulation. These tools ensure accurate tax calculation and reduce manual error, and you can ensure compliance is critical for avoiding penalties and maintaining trust. And use the compliance tracking feature to monitor changes in tax laws across jurisdictions. You can create exemption certificates or other compliance document as needed, right? You can maintain detailed record of all tax calculation and filing for audits or review, right? So these tools ensure you always stay compliant with minimal effort, right? And finally, Vertex provide powerful reporting tool which you help to analyze and track key metrics such as tax liability and payments, right? And there's some more things, for example, compliance status across jurisdictions, and there's an auto audit readiness and risk assessment. So you can use this insight to identify inefficiencies, recognize high risk area and optimize your tax strategies. You can also export report in various format, right? So I think this was just an introduction video, and there you have it, a complete introduction video, and streamline your operation, which will help it whether you are calculating taxes, ensuring compliance or analyzing performance. Make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel.